Hey guys, thank you for joining us again. Today we're going to show you how to solve a problem that we come across in some newer vehicles that has a road cancellation noise feature, which allows the passengers inside the vehicle not to hear much of the road noise. The problem is when you put an aftermarket subwoofer with a high-low adapter connected to one of the speakers, that you get that noise through the sub, and that will make very annoying noise. You won't actually enjoy your music. So what you need to do, you actually need to find the microphone that has that cancellation feature and cut it off. This is in this case a 2017 Chevy Malibu, and in the trunk on the rear here we have the amp, and there is a wire on the top connector. It's a purple wire, and that wire is actually the microphone. It's a purple blue. All you have to do is cut that wire and you're not going to have the noise in the subwoofer anymore. Every vehicle, the microphone in a different location, different wiring, but this is usually the reason you will have that noise on the sub. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.